Success is a sweet blend of dedication, desire, and determination. A very pleasant evening to the charm of Chhattisgarh. The NEET 2020 Chhattisgarh topper, All India 41st rank holder with a grand score of 705 out of 720. Firstly, we congratulate you, Mr. Tanay Raj, on such a great achievement and being admitted to Delhi AIMS, All India Institute for Medical Sciences. Starting over with the interview, the first question which comes up in the mind is that what motivated you to choose medicine as a career? When did you decided to become a doctor?
whenever I see the doctor, मतलब मैं जब भी डॉक्टर को देखता था तो मुझे अंदर से एक मोटिवेशन आता था कि हाँ मुझे उनके ऐसा बनना है, उनके उनके साइड में खड़े होकर देखना है कि कैसा रखता है. I want to serve people and that all the thing which made me motivated from the beginning, from my childhood.
Okay, that's great. Is this your first attempt?
Yes, this was my first attempt.
That's a great achievement. So, when did you start your preparations for the NEET 2020 and how did you go about it?
As I said, I just started my NEET preparation from class 11th itself. Regular test I gave and regular studies, all this thing just gave me the boost to secure this good rank.
And that's great. But as we all know, the lockdown was announced in March and things changed. So, how did you prepare for NEET 2020 during COVID 19, during such a depressed situation? And how did it affect your preparation?
Yeah, it was drastic change. Everything was offline previously for us. Starting, it was a great difficulty for us, to study in the online mode because we were not used to it. Just we got much time for the preparation. तो उससे अच्छा हो गया तो.
Did you take any coaching for the NEET 2020?
Yes, I joined Alan Kota.
So, how was the coaching affected because of the lockdown? And how did you keep in touch with your teachers for doubts, regular lessons, etc.?
As soon as the lockdown was announced, our coaching was shut down in the offline mode, so we were just sent back to our respected home. And then the the teachers were disconnected from the WhatsApp or the Zoom platform. We can connect to the teachers. The doubt sessions were held there also. Regular online test was already there, so it was not any issue of test.
Okay, like as you mentioned that you were preparing for NEET in Kota, Rajasthan, and
Yes,
I think you are a native of Chhattisgarh.
yeah,
Am I right?
yeah.
So, when the lockdown was announced, you went to Chhattisgarh, your native place. So, what was your daily routine for NEET preparation before lockdown and after lockdown?
See, before lockdown, actually there was a board exam, so I was at that time I was just preparing for board for just after the lockdown was announced. उसके बाद नीट प्रिपरेशन का टाइम आया था. तो उसके बाद शेड्यूल तो मतलब शुरुआत में जब लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हुआ तब तो पढ़ने का एकदम ही मन नहीं था क्योंकि हमारा नीट वैसे ही पोस्टपोन्ड हो गया था. तो इतना पोस्टपोन्ड होता है, 2 बार पोस्टपोन्ड हुआ तो उसके कारण थोड़ा मोटिवेशन कम ही हो गया था. फिर धीरे धीरे वो बकलअप हुआ, सर लोग मोटिवेट किए, फिर थोड़ा पढ़ने का भी वो आया कि नहीं करना है तो फिर वो रूटीन ऐसा रहता था कि जैसे मेनली मैं टेस्ट में फोकस रखता था लास्ट तक में जब एक बार सिलेबस कवर हो गया.
If we talk about time, so how much time did you devote to self study? Because coaching can only teach you, but you have to learn through self study.
या दैट्स अ गुड. सेल्फ स्टडी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कोचिंग में हाँ मतलब एक ओवरव्यू मिल जाता था कि हाँ, इस टॉपिक में ऐसा ऐसा है, बट जब तक आप उसको खुद से नहीं पढ़ते तब तक वो दिमाग में आपके अच्छे से बैठता नहीं है. तो सेल्फ स्टडी वाज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. आई यूज्ड टू डिवोट 6 to 8 hours टू सेल्फ स्टडी एटलीस्ट.
जैसा आपने बताया कि शुरू में पढ़ने का मन नहीं करता था, तो जब आपके नीट एग्जाम होने में जस्ट 1 मंथ बचा था, तो आपकी 1 मंथ प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी क्या?
As the syllabus was over before 1 month, so the most focus was for revision. As revision is must. और हाँ टेस्ट तो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है. मतलब वो टेस्ट ही आपको बताता है कि आप कहाँ पिछड़ गए हो, कहाँ गलती कर रहे हो. तो हाँ उसके कारण थोड़ा बूस्ट मिला, स्कोर भी इम्प्रूव होते गए तो अच्छा रिजल्ट आ गया.
That's great. So, what would you like to suggest to the future NEET aspirants in terms of their preparation, their attitude, their self-study time, and much more?
मैं तो यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि you should continuously study. You should not break yourself in studying. Like this online study have create such thing that we are just giving break, so much of break. So you should not do that. You should have a positive approach to your studies, and also सो रेगुलर टेस्ट से आपको पता चलेगा कि आप कहाँ पिछड़ रहे हो, तो वो आपको ज़रूर देना चाहिए।
And thank you, Mr. Tane. And with this, we proceed further towards the closing of this wonderful interview session. And thanks, Mr. Tane, for sharing their valuable thoughts, their strong points, weak points, and their precious time.